Hi, are you from electroplating and plating industry or anodizing industry? If yes, then do you know the role of or importance of rectifier in this kind of industry? Hi, my name is James Gupta and I am from Recons Power. Do you know if these rectifiers supplied to you are made from poor quality of raw material or are designed for underrating, not for the full capacity? Then what will happen? If the raw material used are of poor quality, then you have to pay more electricity bill, as the losses of these kind of rectifiers will be much higher than the desired one. And if they are designed for underrating, then the plating quality or the anodizing quality will not be proper as desired, which will result in more rejection and more time loss, as you have to do it again and again. Then what is the solution for these kind of rectifiers? How to buy a right kind of rectifiers? The solution is, once you are going to buy a new rectifier, you should know that how old is the company from where we are buying this, what is the experience of the company, and what kind of materials they are using in the manufacturing of the rectifier. This is a silicon diode based oil-cooled rectifier having a regulator inside. It has a special feature of using this kind of rectifier for full capacity or full rating. Example, like you can use this kind of rectifier for full voltage. Say this particular rectifier is of 80 volts 750 amps. So basically you can use this rectifier till 80 volts 750 amps on load, or 0 to 80 volts or 0 to 750 volts. There are a few features of these kind of rectifiers. One is having this oil level gauge to see the oil level inside the rectifier. Second one is the hand wheel, by which you can regulate the voltages up and down. And this is a specialized panel which can be used for constant current or constant voltage. Whatever is your rectifier requirement or ampere requirement, you can set that ampere in this panel and you can get the constant output of that ampere particularly. Raw material used inside in this kind of rectifier is a virgin type. Electrolytic grade copper is used, and core is a special grade of CR0, which is a low loss core. Oil used inside this kind of rectifier is of transformer oil. The all benefit they give it to you is having a low power consumption, and which can help you in getting the reduced electricity bill. There are three varieties which we offer in this kind of rectifier. One is a regulator type, in which you can use the voltage from 0 to particular volt, say for this 80 volts, 0 to 80 volts. Second one is a switch type rectifier, in which you have two switches. One is of force type, second one is of fine type. Third one is IGBT rectifier, which is non-oil based compact air-cooled rectifier. The purpose of all three rectifiers are same, and we offer all three rectifiers suitable for full rating on load. The particular product range what we offer is up to 24 volt 25,000 amps, which we offer to our customers. And if you compare these kind of products with any other make in the market, what we offer is like the full rating, which nobody offers in the market. They are suitable for full load. Second one, they are having a raw material which is virgin, which gives you low power consumption in comparison to other makes. And the third one is the life of these kind of rectifiers is approximately 20 to 25 years or more than that. We have supplied these kind of rectifiers for last 34 years and they are working still with our customers. The prices of these kind of rectifier may be higher while buying, but the cost of these kind of rectifier will be much lower than the existing lower grade equipments. We at Recons are almost 34 years old company, and we have supplied more than 10,000 rectifiers in India and abroad, and till date we have not faced any dissatisfaction from the customer side, and if or any services required, then we provide them ASAP. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any new requirement for the rectifier, then please click on the below link, or you can contact me directly on the WhatsApp. Thank you.